I'm Lee Duance, and I find ways on how I can make extra money online through passive income, and I'm also teaching you, helping you to do the same thing through YouTube. But today I'm basically going to show you how you can make some passive income through affiliate marketing, especially using Amazon. So we're going to jump down to my laptop now, and I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can start affiliate marketing through Amazon and start earning some money. So let's dive into this and get you from zero to hero in a matter of minutes. So here I am. So before we get started, please hit that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date, and also give this video a thumbs up. But first stage is basically typing in Amazon. So depending if you're in the UK or around the world, amazon.co.uk for myself, as I am in the United Kingdom. Once you're on that, basically the homepage opens up. Scroll right down to the bottom. You will then see making money with us. And there's loads of different ways that you can make money with Amazon. But the one we are after today is affiliate programming. So if it's not on the list, you'll see a tab at the bottom, see more, making money with us. We click on that page, and pretty much this takes you to everything that you can do on Amazon. So you can create and sell. So pretty much if you have products that you can sell on Amazon, these are our ways of doing that. You can advertise your products on Amazon, put your business on Amazon, loads of different ways. But these are the main ones that we are after. So affiliate and Amazon influencer. But if we go on to affiliate marketing, and then once you click on affiliate marketing, this page will now come up, and pretty much it is as simple as signing up, and you could earn up to 12% of commission through products you sell. So it doesn't work out to be much. Later on in the video, I will show you my earnings and what I earn from certain products, but it will ask you to enter a website, and obviously you don't have to have a website. You can simply use Facebook. So if you have a Facebook profile, that is completely fine. You can just send them or put in your Facebook profile link, and that's perfectly fine for this, and you should get accepted. You can also use a YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, use that link, Facebook. They're both free. So pretty much another reason I do this, I try and make passive income online, but also try to do it free. So if I can set something up for free and then somehow make money from it, then perfect. That's what this channel is about, is to help you guys make money without spending money. And affiliate marketing is one of them. Like I said, you can promote products on Facebook. You can even do it on YouTube. TikTok is another one. So maybe I create videos advertising the product and just put an affiliate link in your profile and just send people to click that. And then obviously they start buying the product. So again, Facebook's another one. Put photos up with a link. YouTube, you can talk about a product, do a product review. Just loads of different ways that you can sell items and get people to start buying them online. So once you are signed up, if we head back to amazon.co.uk or .com if you are somewhere else in the world, and then pretty much it brings us back to the home screen. And so let's get into selling now. So you're all signed up, you've got an account, and we are back to Amazon. So now it's a matter of picking what you want to sell. If there's a certain niche that you want to get into, it's just basically finding items you want to sell or people want to buy, searching them on Amazon, and then getting links sorted. So let's say, for example, I want to buy a new lens for my camera, let's say. So go to the search bar, and then I'll just search Canon M50 Mark II lenses, let's say. And all these lenses now pop up. So let's just click on this one, a 55mm lens. And that is marked as £149. And then what you'll see is once you are accepted for Amazon affiliate, at the top of the page you'll see a site strip, pretty much, from Amazon Associates site, and then it's pretty much text, image, or text and image. So if we just click on text, and pretty much this will then give you your affiliate link. So this is the link that you would promote for people to buy this product. So this is the short link, and then we've also got a long link. Pretty much not going to go into it, but it's got all the information that Amazon needs, that pretty much links this click or item back to you. So if someone does click on this link and then buy it, so they have to click on this link and buy it from using this link for you to earn money. If they click on this link, do some searching, click around, and then they basically just search for this later on, then you won't get the sale. So they have to buy the product from this link for you to earn it. But in that long link is pretty much your profile details, the product, and stuff like that. So like I said, when someone does buy it, Amazon knows where that link or click come from, because it'll be linked to your account. But we want the short link because it's a lot easier to share, and it just looks better when you are promoting or posting it on social media. So yeah, once you've got this link, then it's just a matter of clicking on it and then copy. And then once you've got that link, it's just a matter of posting and sharing it. So like I said, just using social media. So if you've got a Facebook page, maybe posting it on that. If you know any Facebook groups or pages that you're part of, that's part of this niche you're targeting, then maybe posting it on that. Text messages, WhatsApp, if you have groups. Again, if you have a niche, then maybe start building a WhatsApp group or email list for this niche, which people then can join, and you can send these links out maybe, so people start clicking on it and buying it. So let's say about this lens, if I'm part of a Facebook group that have like photographers, videographers, like starters, people want to get into photography, stuff like that, then maybe I can get this link, put it on there and say I've used this camera or this lens, it's perfect for this photo, that photo. Just different stuff that will engage people, and then maybe send this link which people can then click on and go buy this. So again, if you're on YouTube and you do videos on taking better photos, making videos, editing photos, videos, etc., I'm just using this niche because obviously we are searching for a camera lens. So just to give you an idea, so like I said, if you are making videos on YouTube, you could maybe buy this, do a basically a review on it. So compare it to other lenses, different brands, etc. Make a video about it. Again, put the link in the description box so people that watch that video, they want to buy that lens, the link is then in that video, and then they can come over and buy that, and again, you'll earn profits from that. So just different ways on how you can promote this item and get some sales. So like I said, everything's free. Facebook is free to post on. WhatsApp, if you've got WhatsApp groups, again, that's just free. Email listings, again, you can just build an email listing, and it's free to send emails. And also YouTube. Yes, you may have to put some time in to make a video, compare the products to each other or other items and stuff like that. But if you are basically in this niche, like I said, photography, if you do enjoy it, then you won't mind doing it because it's something you enjoy doing. So it probably won't be too bad for you in that case. So you might have to put some time into YouTube, but like I said, it might pay off in the long run because people will be watching that video and hopefully buying this product from your link. As promised at the start of the video, I was going to take you through my earnings. So again, once you are on the Amazon page, and at the top of the page, you've got the text where you got your text for that item. If you go right across to the far right, you got earnings and help. So if you click on earnings, it will then take you to your profile pretty much, and it should load all your informations. So pretty much this month I've had 11 clicks on my links, but nothing's been bought just yet. So nothing's been bought. So if I go custom, let's go, let's click on that. So here you go. So last year, this is the whole year. Yeah, so last year I didn't start affiliating until September. So I've only got that much earnings to go from. So you can see here from the, say, 4 months. I don't know why I haven't recorded anything for December. There's something December, but I haven't got a graph there. But for the last 4 months of last year, I had 1,353 clicks on my links. I had 43 orders, 42 items shipped. I don't know why there's one number less. So someone's ordered something, but yeah, I don't know. That's how much pretty much everyone spent. So the 43 orders basically come up to £360, but I only got paid £18.44. So that just shows you how much money can be made. Like I said, it's not much. That's just 4 months. But again, the stuff I'm promoting, it's a really small niche. So I was military previously before now doing this, and I've basically got a Facebook page where I help people join the military. So mainly it's more about military fitness, getting fit for the military, and they also ask me advices on like training methods, recruit training. And also I had a couple of messages towards the end of the year, is people starting training, is there extra stuff that they should take when going to training that's not on the kit list? So when you go into recruit training for the military, they give you a basic kit list or items to take with you, but there's a lot of stuff on there that is missing, which you end up buying during your time in training. So I thought this was a great opportunity to create a Amazon affiliation program, or become part of the Amazon affiliation program, and then start doing links. So that's what I've done. I pretty much give a list of my top 10 items that I think recruits should have before starting military training. And it's just really small stuff like padlocks. So if they buy 4 padlocks, which is like £2 each, I'm only going to earn like a couple of pence from that item. I think the biggest item, or the most expensive item, is an iron. So I think people buy I basically just promote like a decent Russell Hobbs iron. I think it's like 70 quid. So that's probably what I earn the most from. But anything else is small items, so like pens, pencils, notebooks, just stuff like that I give is my top 10 list that I think lads should take. So commission is really low for myself. But for you, it could be something different and more expensive. Like I say, with that lens, it was £170. So like 10% of that is probably a decent amount. So if you sell them, it can add up. So just something to look forward to. And as you scroll down, you've then got the items that people's ordered. So as you see here, the biggest item ordered was tent pegs. So like I said, it's small stuff that people will buy. So tent pegs, Lumi pens is another one. So when you do map reading, stuff like that. And then Write in the Rain waterproof paper. So it's a notepad that's pretty much waterproof and allows you to have it when it's raining and you're still able to write on the paper. And again, 6 of them sold pretty much. So as you see, there's really, really small items that they will buy and go from there really. Number 12 is, like I said, the iron. You can see here, they've clicked on the link. They didn't buy it through my link, but then one has been sold through other items. So unfortunately, they didn't click on the link and buy that iron, but they could have bought another item, which then sent them to that iron, and they bought that iron from there. So unfortunately, I didn't get the sale from that. But if they clicked on my link, then they would have, unfortunately. But yeah, that just gives you a couple of items, or the top selling items from that list. So that's it for this video. Hope it helped you and get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. If you do get signed up, please click or put in the comments box below if this video helped you get started. And also hit that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe.